Nissan has just introduced the new Kait to Latin America, and it feels like the brand finally created a crossover that understands what drivers in the region actually want. The Kait takes the familiar foundation of the earlier Kicks generation and reshapes it into something that feels more purposeful, modern, and ready for the daily grind. It measures 4,304 millimeters in length, 1,760 millimeters in width, and 1,611 millimeters in height, making it a confident subcompact crossover that fits perfectly into crowded city streets while still offering enough interior space for small families. The front of the Kait carries a sharper and more athletic look, with split light emitting diode headlights, a stronger grille design, and a more sculpted bumper section. The rear also feels more grown up, now featuring a fully redesigned set of taillights and large Kait lettering that gives the model its own identity. Nissan kept the functional approach intact with a wide cargo space of 432 liters, making everyday errands noticeably easier. Inside, the Kait blends simplicity with a technology-friendly layout. The cabin features a 7-inch digital instrument display, a 9-inch infotainment system developed with Pioneer, wireless Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay, and a wireless phone charger for added convenience. Higher trims offer comfort touches like a 360-degree camera system, keyless start, and driver assistance technologies that were previously reserved for more expensive models. Power comes from a naturally aspirated 1.6-liter petrol engine paired with a continuously variable transmission. It is not built to set performance records, but it is focused on reliability, affordability, and fuel efficiency, which is exactly what many drivers in Brazil, Colombia, Chile, Mexico, and other Latin American markets have been asking for. With production based in Resende, Brazil, Nissan plans to expand the Kait to more than 20 countries across the region.